Hi guys, welcome back to the video. Pure Performance here, and we are at Santapod. We are going to fix the Scooby right now. Why not? We went in for a health check, and they took out the boost control. I don't know if we even showed you about the boost control, but we had a pink booster control, and you can turn it up and down. But this one here is fucked. And what I mean by fact is that they put this in, but now I got boost. Engine warning lights up on the dash, and I turn it on, which I'm not going to do because I don't want to piss off the neighbours. But yeah, I've got 3 boost codes. I shut them up right now on the screen. But yeah, that's them. I think it's P0246, something like that. You have to see them in the video. But we got a new one. And the place that took the boost control out have only wired in a wired one in. And here's the part. I don't know if anyone can use that part number or something. I got it off eBay. Fuse Racing, I think they're called. I want them to sponsor us. And basically 8mm this out, pull this one off, let me show you better, pull this one off, pull this one off, and then the connection that they've supplied is just wired in like shit. Like, there you go, that's just come out like absolute dog shit, it is. And then unplug it, and then this wire here will plug in here. Oh, no, it'll plug in here and then plug in here as well. And then obviously you just transfer, if I get this out of the box, and it should work, but we're not 100% sure. Also, a good thing about this is that it actually has a clip on it, so it shouldn't come off. But here, as a replacement, if not, we'll go back and swap it back for the original. This doesn't work anyway, and as you can see, they just chopped it off, so I can take that out. But I just got to think of where this line will go. I'm guessing it would go on here as a breather. But yeah, let's get to that. So I believe this is an 8mm. No, this one. It's definitely a 10mm. Just gonna have to take this off if it wants to do it. I'm probably not going to. So what we're going to do is see if we can just stop it from twisting. I got it off after a while because they're very tight on there, so just be warned when taking yours off. And then this one being the new one, it's basically the same concept, just that the other clip, this wiring, actually just clips on with this metal bracket, so it's more secure. Secure clip. So yeah, basically just do what you did when you took the M1 off. Just like that. Gosh. We couldn't get this out because we don't have 2 10mm bolts at the moment. There's that one. This one goes on there. I wouldn't know. I've got really a clue how that goes. Nope. and it should take off them engine warning lights. Just like that. Like I said, these two lines on each other, literally copy the way that it comes off. If you don't have one of these, then what is it? And you have a turbo smart boost controller or anything. It's not too hard, but it's quite similar. But if I do get another one, I will make another video. And as I said, this one connection just connects straight back in. Now the engine warning lights might be off, but I ain't gonna start the car yet because, as you can see, my tent is connected to the vehicle. But yeah, hopefully that works now. When we start it up on Sunday, we'll definitely we'll do a display up now. So basically, we did have an engine warning light on. We cleared the codes, and now there's no engine warning light come up. So that is a successful mod fitted at Santapod. Never done before. We are the first ones. Good performance for you. Always deliver. Thank you for watching the video. Make sure you go and like and subscribe. Website is going to be down in below in the description. Make sure you go and follow us over on Instagram and don't miss a single video. Turn on notifications. Do as you please, because we are coming. We're coming up through the ranks. We're soon going to be here at Santapod, where everyone's going to be watching us. With this car, with Connor's car, with anyone's car, with everyone's car. We're all here for it. Thank you for watching.